Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box tutorials. We're going to display featured products with Meta Box and Elementor. On the homepage, you may want to showcase some products in a section like this. I'm getting restaurants as an example for the products, as you can see. All of the featured restaurants in this section are chosen manually by a custom field in the backend. The field has the form like this. It is a switch field. The restaurant will be displayed in the featured section when this button is turned on. Let's see how to do it. In this practice, I use Elementor and its Pro version to build the homepage and the section. We also need Meta Box to create the switch field. In addition, you may want to add some extra information about your product, in this case the restaurant, so custom fields also come handy. We also need some advanced features from Meta Box provided by some of its extensions. You can install them individually or use the Meta Box all-in-one for all. They are MB custom post type to create custom post type for the restaurants. Meta Box Builder to have a UI in the back end to create custom fields. And MB admin columns. This is optional. It helps to display the custom fields as an admin column to easily see the information. I use it to show you which restaurants will be featured to easily compare with the result. And the last one is the integrator between Meta Box and Elementor to easily get dynamic data from custom fields and display them on the page. Go to Meta Box and create a new custom post type for your products. After publishing, you will see your post type display as a menu here. Go to Meta Box and add custom fields to save extra information for the restaurants as usual. Remember to create a special field as switch type as I said before. We will display the post in the section or not based on the value of this field. I also check this box to display this field in the admin column like this. After having all the fields, go to the Settings tab, choose Location as post type, and Restaurant to apply the fields to it. Then when adding a new post, you'll see the fields. If you want to feature this restaurant, just turn on this button. I added some posts for instance. You can easily see which one will be displayed in the section from this column. First, go to Elementor and create a template to designate which and how the information from a post will be displayed. Set the template as loop item. And set the post type to get the right preview. Each post in the section will be displayed like this. Add a section element to cover all of it. Then add reasonable elements for each kind of information of the post. First, featured image element. Add text editor for the voucher. This information is saved in a custom field created by Meta Box, so use the dynamic tags. Look for the Meta Box field option, and choose the field from the list. Next, add the post title for the restaurant name. Add an additional text editor element. It's for the address which also is saved in a custom field, so use the dynamic tags as well, and find the address field. For the logo, add an image element. Add dynamic tags from the logo field. Then the image will be displayed. That's all the information I want to get and display for the restaurant, so move to the next step. We need a condition based on the value of the switch field to choose which posts will be displayed. As a result, we need a custom query when creating the section of the homepage. But Elementor does not support it in the builder, so you should use a little bit of code to create one. It's really easy with the official format provided by Elementor, so just follow it without concern. You can add code directly to the theme file, but it's not recommended. I'll use a third-party plugin which is Code Snippets. You can install it directly from WordPress.org. To create the custom query, go to Code Snippets to add new. I use this code. Let's get through for more detail. This part is to declare that we'll query the post type which has this ID. This is the name of the custom query. You can name it as your own. This is the mentioned condition. It means that if the custom field which has this ID is 1, the post will be get and display. You know that. This is the ID of the switch field. And 1 is the value of its on status. Now, let's move on to display posts on the homepage. Go to edit the homepage with Elementor. Add a section. And add a heading for it. To get posts, add the loop grid element. Choose the created template. Some blog posts will be displayed in the form. To replace them by your featured products, go to the query section. Set the source as your product's post type. Then all the posts from that post type will be displayed. Note that I said, all the posts. To apply the condition that we want, fill in the query ID box with the name of the created custom query. The displaying posts will be changed. To style the way each information of the post displays, go back to edit the created template as the loop item and customize each element settings. Now, go back to the homepage on the front end. You will see the section with a nice look. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.